everyone, and thank you so much for joining my channel. So as promised, listen, we had all kinds of stuff happening the week before. I vlogged every day, not vlogged, but I posted a video every day for you. This week I probably will do the same. So we have a haul. I promised you during my vlog on Fable Friday that we would be doing a haul, and this is a collective haul. Believe it or not, some of the things that I'm going to be showing you today are from Black Friday. That's how long it took to get some of these things. So I'm actually going to start with the one that has the dramatic story. I'm still pissed about it, but we're gonna get right into it. So there is a brand that I have been coveting for years. I really love this brand, and that is Farm Rio. I feel like it's a bit pricey, but the pieces are beautiful. It is styled in a way that represents the women in Brazil, and so that means beautiful colors, foliage, animals, plants, foods, all the things kind of made into a tapestry in your garments that is just unmatched, so vibrant, so beautiful. Anyway, I'm saying all of these things because I just really love how the clothes look. So for years I have been pining over this kind of secretly, and I finally scored a piece last year. I totally forgot about the shopping experience last time. It did not come quickly, but I wasn't in a rush. I didn't have anywhere to go. We were in smack dab in the middle of the pandemic, so when it got here, and that was fine. But I totally forgot about that experience. So when Black Friday came around this year, they had a really great sale again. I think it was an additional 40% off of clearance. But I found a couple of pieces that were within the budget that I was willing to spend and I thought fit my aesthetic. Yeah, it took a month. It took a full month to get my things. And I kept reaching out to see. I never got a shipping notice or anything. I'm like, what is going on? So knowing full well that this wasn't the case, but I emailed them and said, hey, I feel like I got scammed. What happened? Blah, blah, blah. So they finally responded and let me know that they were having like an inventory issue. So finally I get, a week, 2 weeks after that, I finally get a notice that it's been shipped. And then when it was like delivery on its way, it's like your items are on the way to be delivered. So meaning the truck was out getting ready to deliver my stuff. I got an email promptly after to say, hey, the second item that you wanted, we don't have, so we're gonna refund you. So I waited a full month to get both things, one of which they didn't have or were having issues with, were on back order. I waited for that back order to come through just for them to cancel it a month later. I could have had this a long time ago. So anyway, that all being said, I did not appreciate the whole waiting and buying experience. However, they did, as a I'm sorry, refund my money and give me a $50 gift certificate. So I just turned right back around. They were still having the same sale was still going on. So I turned right back around literally a few days ago, less than a week ago. Ordered another piece that I found that was suitable using the $50 credit, so I was able to push my limit up a little bit and got the piece right away, and now I have it in hand. It came like super quick. Maybe they knew they messed with me the first time, so they made it quick. So let's go. I'm sorry about that long story, but let's get into this whole thing. So it comes in a really cute little box and everything like that. This I think the prices are on here, so let's get into it. I got 2 dresses. I should be doing a cutaway on how this unboxing experience looks because I'm doing a terrible job showing you here. So this first piece, it comes wrapped in their beautiful banana looking paper, and this color is just so vibrant and beautiful. Hopefully I can do a cutaway to show you how this all fits. The original price on here is $165. I feel like I purchased this one for 60 something dollars. Yeah, I purchased this one for $63. Look at that beautiful vibrant print. Can you imagine me in summer with this? This one's a nice little, what is it? A square neck, but I forget what the top is called when it's like this. And then it's an open back that ties in the back. So hopefully I'm doing a cutaway and trying this on. And the other, cross my fingers, is that this fits. I got this in an extra small, and I bought an extra small based on the fact that the first time I shopped with them, I got an extra small. I'm hoping that this fits because during this pandemic, I've gained weight and then gained some more weight and then gained some more weight. So my clothes really don't fit me that well. So that all being said, I have another, this is the dress, this is the backup dress that I got. And this is not, I think the first one I got was also, I want to say was also supposed to be green. So at least I was in the same color family. Again, it comes wrapped in the whole banana paper like the other one. The original price on this one was $195. So I would imagine I think I paid 80 something dollars for this. But this was really pretty. It has the little frilly straps here. It is a midi dress. This one has pockets. Yes, I see the pockets. Look at this print. This looks like papaya. Papaya and cashews. Because this is definitely a cashew. See that little bit right there? That's how cashews grow. This little thing right here is what we're eating, those little nuts. And then this fruit part, I don't know what they do with that. And we got some papaya on here. Yeah. All right, so anyway, I think I like this dress. I'm just really hoping it fits. One thing I'm feeling right now that I didn't know it has boning in the dress. I don't particularly care for dresses with bone in it because my body is shaped in a very unique way. That's a long story. I could probably tell you about that. But anyway, bone in dresses usually are uncomfortable for me because my body is shaped a little weird. But that all said, I like how these look. We'll see if they fit. Hopefully I was doing a cutaway so you could see if you like it as well. I would, if you have nowhere to go, absolutely nowhere to go, don't need these things by a certain time or anything like that. I love these pieces in terms of, you know, the quality, the aesthetic of it. I would recommend it, but the whole buying experience, not the best. All right, so then now I am gonna get into, I went in store, I wanna say last week, and got a few things that I wasn't planning on getting. I was trying to look for last minute Christmas gifts and I ended up buying myself stuff as usual. I'm gonna start with the most impressive one, and that is a pair of Gucci pumps. These are a pair of suede Gucci pumps. It has the horse bit, as you know, their iconic horse bit here, and inside you see it says Gucci. I ended up getting these in a size 36. Now, first and foremost, you're thinking Gucci, that was super expensive. Yes, it was. They were super expensive to me. Even with the big discount that I got on them, they were super expensive. The original price on these are $1,110. They were reduced to $700 and then reduced again when I got them to $200. Now, $200 is a lot to pay for shoes. However, you know, Gucci designer Italian shoes, not so bad. I've paid a little less for Gucci before in the past. I've gotten some Gucci boots before in the past for like $150, I think it was. So these are a bit more expensive, but these are more classic. I will be wearing, these are comfortable, like the, you know, shorter chunky block heel, the sort of round / square toe. I think these are much more comfortable, more durable, more versatile. I'll be wearing these for work and for play. So I think that this is the better buy, even though it's a little bit more expensive. So got these from Nordstrom Rack. I am pleased with these. All right, and the next things that I found for myself at Nordstrom Rack is very much firmly in the old lady category, but they really spoke to me. And that is these pair of gold cowboy boots. They're so friggin' adorable, right? I got these for $40. The original price was $100. They're leather. They're from the brand Chinese Laundry. I had a pair of Chinese Laundry pumps that were sort of a tan nude leather with flowers painted on them, and they had to be my very favorite pair of pumps of all time. I wore those things into the ground. They cracked, they split over time. That's like how much I wore them. And I'm hoping that these bring me just as much joy as those did. They were the most comfortable pumps as well. So I'm hoping they bring me just as much joy as those did, but these are so friggin' cute. The next item I got is something that was actually on my wish list for this year in general. You know, at the beginning of the year, I put together a wish list for the entire year. I wanted a chunky maxi, you can't see this very well, so hopefully I can do a cutaway, but a chunky maxi sweater that was a reasonable price. Pro would have been that it would have a hood on it, but it doesn't have a hood on it. But this is from H&M. The only con, which is not even that much of a con, is that I thought the color was a bit lighter. It's hard for you to tell on screen right here because it's coming up a bit yellowy or whatever, but this is an oatmeal color. I thought it was more of a cream color. So this is as thick as I wanted it. It does not have pockets, but I'm hoping the length is what I wanted. But I'm loving it, and it was a price that was, for me, affordable, because this heavy of a material, this length, is usually way more than I'm willing to spend for a cardigan, even if it is a maxi cardigan. So this one kind of ticked the box for me on my wish list. The next items are PR items, which I am so in love with, and this comes from my coveted favorite brand from a Haitian designer. The brand is called Notre Designs, and I got these really cool shirts. I had the sticker for this one, and which I absolutely love, but I didn't even realize that I could get it in the t-shirt way. And so this one says Creole vibes only. Creole is the language that we speak in Haiti. It's Creole for those of you who want to say it in English, but it's Creole vibes only. And it has the sort of tropical Caribbean design here. And I am absolutely in love with this. This is going on my body right away. The next one is a sweatshirt. And it has a list of all the places, I guess all the cool cities in Haiti. Let's see if I can show you this nice little hoodie. And this one, it has this wonderful hoodie that I've talked about before. It is lined with a t-shirt material inside, which is really great for the hair, as opposed to, you know, these other fabrics that kind of catch onto the strands and will, without you realizing, start to break your hair. So I appreciate the lining of this being like this soft t-shirt material. Again, this is a very cute color. It's not your typical neutral black, gray, navy like I usually get. So this one I really like, and it has a list of all of the places here listed here in Haiti, which I love it. And it says La Caille c'est La Caille, and that means home is home. And it has a picture of the island, or part of the island here of Haiti. So I really love this. This is amaze balls. I love it, and definitely will be rocking this one. As usual, the hauls that you do or the purchases that you make with Notre Designs come with these awesome stickers. You know, we all love to stick things on our laptops, our phones, our iPads, etc. So these have the stickers with all the phrases that you will find on their t-shirts as well. So I absolutely love that they include this. Remember this one from the t-shirt, Creole is Creole. Yep. And then I'm just showing you all of these, and this is their logo. It's so cute. So this comes with all of their pieces as well, so I am loving all of that. Yeah, so that brings us to the end of the collective haul. Apologies for the long rant at the beginning about Farm Rio. I absolutely love their pieces, but I don't love the buying experience and logistics experience with Farm Rio. So I am most happy about this score right here. It's amazing. I got like an 80+% discount on those shoes. Now, again, real, like $200 is still expensive for a pair of shoes, just a pair of shoes, but what can you do? I'm psycho for these types of things. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs up anyway. Share it with your friends, because my thought is if you liked it, they liked it too. Leave me any comments, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back.